Liverpool City College, and what can I say? Like the previous time, marvelous event. A particular focus on art and culture, created by young artists. I'm just so proud of them. Well done, Liverpool City College, and thank you to our hosts.
So we are delighted to host Macfest again this year. So we are at the City Liverpool College, and this year we've had some henna painting, we've had some collaborative art projects, we've had some lovely snacks provided by our students. We've got an art display of work that students have produced this year. So it's a great time to celebrate just after Ramadan and to celebrate Eid with our students. So yeah, we're delighted to have done it again this year.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Qaisra. I'm a student at Liverpool College. Today I'm bringing you some of my paintings, cuts. When I was young, I was obsessed with cuts. I was doing Osmanic style, Arabic style, Persian style. So then my teacher came just to bring some of my cuts. So I did this one in a rush. If I had time, I will do more. So I'm so happy to bring in my class, and I will be writing the student's name in Arabic. So feel free to come to me and I will write your name in Arabic. Thank you so much.
My name is John. I'm at City Liverpool College today celebrating our Macfest festival. We go for that kind of festival and we're celebrating with all the Muslim students. Some food I don't find very nice, but other foods I find exceptional.
Yeah, them paintings. Yeah. I'm just here for the same reasons as him. I'm here to experience everything as well.
Hi, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdi Mohammed. I'm the Vice President of the Student Union. Today we're celebrating Macfest, Muslim Art and Culture Festival. So today our students have painted very nice paints, and also we put the decoration. We brought some street today. Today all our students, the Muslims and the non-Muslims, they're celebrating the Macfest Festival. Welcome everyone.
We're celebrating today Macfest, and through all the paintings that you see, all the students shared and we're celebrating it within college with our friends as Muslim and non-Muslim as well.
Hello, my name is Jehan and I work with the Student Union. We are hosting Macfest today at our college, and we have some sweets here from our students. They brought in like some students, we like dates, we have different sweets, like these are, I don't know a lot of names, they just are students just like help and brought in some sweets and foods for themselves, and we have like all the art around. They all made by students and they on display from our students, and as you can see if you go around there was like a lot of pieces of artists and done by students.
When you 5th of April, I sent you message on Teams.
Hello, my name is Aisha, and this is my business. I started last year, and I make like handmade from plastic, and also I made candles, but I didn't bring it today. And yeah, I bring it here today for everyone and buy it and see it nice. This is the candle. It's all handmade. And yeah, it's a plate. And this is a flag. And yeah, it's all like fabric for decoration.
See this empty pot here? We're going to make this, and every student is going to do one flower. They're going to put their name in it, and then I'm going to stick it on.
The son does, yeah.
Street school, what's it
Yeah.
like?
Lipper High School. Yeah. Yeah, he's in a high school, yeah. He plays in a band.
He plays in a band.